Hello, and welcome to Historical Humans Reads, where we take primary sources and bring them to your screen. I'm Colum Coleman, and today we are reading from an 1843 Spanish poem composed by one of the foundational writers of Spanish Romanticism. It is, of course, The Lost Bird by Carolina Coronado. Often involved in U.S. politics thanks to her husband, Horatio Justas Perry, much of Coronado's work reflects her staunch abolitionist views. The Lost Bird, however, eschews political moralizing in favor of embracing the fanciful spirit of the Romantics, as the author longs after her lost, seemingly mythical, bird. Today, we will be reading The Lost Bird by Carolina Coronado in its entirety, as it was translated by William Cullen Bryant. With that, let's begin. My bird has flown away. Far out of sight has flown, I know not where. Look in your lawn, I pray, ye maidens, kind and fair, and see if my beloved bird be there. His eyes are full of light. The eagle of the rock has such an eye, and plumes exceeding bright round his smooth temples lie. And sweet his voice, and tender as a sigh. Look where the grass is gay with summer blossoms, haply there he cowers, and search from spray to spray the leafy laurel bowers, for well he loves the laurels and the flowers. Find him, but do not dwell with eyes too fond on the fair form you see, nor love his song too well. Send him at once to me, or leave him to the air and liberty. For only from my hand he takes the seed into his golden beak, and all unwiped shall stand the tears that wet my cheek, till I have found the wanderer I seek. My sight is darkened o'er whene'er I miss his eyes, which are my day. And when I hear no more the music of his lay, my heart in utter sadness faints away. This has been an excerpt from The Lost Bird on Historical Humans Reads. If you enjoyed this video and would like to hear more excerpts from original texts, please subscribe to be notified of the next one. If there is a work you would like to hear, be sure to like the video and leave a comment listing it below. Thank you for listening.